Are you serious? Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? So it's me and my boo-boo here.
Hi guys.
Okay, so we're going to town for something, and then I'm going to meet with Ogom because we've been planning this meeting for some time, and yeah, I need to collect something. Like, subscribers sent us gifts. Okay, the Lord is so good. He's so good. So a subscriber sent us a gift. When I collect it, when I'm unboxing the gift, I'm going to show you guys and then tell you guys who that the Lord has used to bless us. So she actually sent us she sent I and Ogum something very girly. Okay, so that's where we're going. And for my husband, we're actually going for a particular meeting. After the meeting, then I'll meet up with Ogum so I can actually get my gifts, okay, that the Lord has blessed me with. Anyway, you guys, Ogum has actually been a little busy here and there. It's good though, honestly. It's good to be busy. Like, more business, more money.
Yes.
more business, more money.
Things are very expensive. You have to do other things.
Exactly.
To be able to meet up.
Exactly, you
have to do so many things to meet up.
So you guys, let us go, and I'm gonna update you. All right.
Don't come this side. Is that the other side?
The other side. Hey you guys, what's up? How you guys doing?
Your camera quality is better than mine.
But I mean, your phone quality is higher than mine.
Well, then
you're
why is
using
it
iPhone?
No, this one is Samsung.
Okay, Samsung.
This one is Samsung.
This is S9.
I don't know. Hi guys, look who we have here. It's Ogum series.
Ogum series.
Ogum and I meant to see I'm bending so that our size will be of the same, height.
No problem, no problem.
I'm with my madam.
Mazi is tall, so I'm so the one who told that car. We didn't inside car now, so don't worry. So you guys, I came to meet Ogum. Like, we've been planning to meet because I needed to collect something. That a subscriber sent for us.
It's not easy to receive gifts from Obodo.
It's easy to receive gifts.
God bless you people that is always sending gifts to us.
I'm telling you.
God bless you people, plenty.
In fact, so the gift was sent to her direct, and then I had to come and get mine. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys what the gift is. However, you guys meet Ogum.
Please, so if you haven't subscribed, now my madam be this. Please subscribe.
When I go check Ogum out, she can give you people content upon content.
Yes, so
that's why I say she works. She's so busy. Like, you guys, it took us how many weeks to meet?
Is well.
Because,
we don't dey like I am Lagos people, because people where they Lagos, they take them like 1 month to meet their siblings.
I'm telling you.
But it's well. We are here today, and I'm happy. You know what it is to be on Editorial Nemi's channel. I don't blow. Now my madam.
Anyway, we're going because she's going to work. She's rushing. Okay, let her go and work and get some money, more money.
More source of income. Now the expense is too much for Abuja. Now person they tell me say make I go for fourth baby. School fee. School fees is not your. It's the beginning of wisdom in Abuja. Come add them house rent.
Carry God will give you the one way with the plait her hair. All those boys.
Baby girl, they hungry me. But what if I go now, boy?
God fit make am fit be girl.
2 girls. Ejima.
2 girls,
Ejima. Thank you guys so much for having me.
Yeah. So later.
Let me be going.
Hey y'all. So you guys, I just received my gifts. You guys have already seen Ogum. If you don't know Ogum is a YouTuber. She's a content creator, and sent us these gifts. They sent us these gifts. When I get to the house, I'm gonna unbox it, and this is mine. I'm gonna see what's inside. Yeah, you know I told you guys that the gift is girly, so you can already see MAC products, MAC gifts, more gifts. So let's go home first so that I can use my 2 hands and you guys do not. So let's go to I'll show you. Meeting was very brief, and thank God, because I need to go back home and wash Bernice and Beverly's hair, and so that we could prepare for, you know, Christmas hair and all of that stuff. I need to do it early so that it won't be. Although doing it early safe, the hair will come later scatter, you know, because especially Beverly scratches her hair too much, and Benny's hair is shorter and very soft, so it might also scatter. But anyhow, I'm still going to do it, even if it's scatter. We'll manage it like that. We'll still manage it like that, because if I wait till maybe that kind of 20 something to do it, you know, all of the salon might be very, very occupied and busy, and I don't want to do it with my hand. I want to do it in the salon. Hey you guys, good morning. All right you guys, so today is Sunday and we're actually heading to church. We're all ready and prepared. Siba, I'm the woman who I've been ready since, and I'm sitting down here waiting for those people.
Makeup now.
yeah, I say hi guys, good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good girl.
Yes.
So where are we going? Bernice, where are we going? So we're going to church.
We are going to church.
Yes, we're going to church. You heard you.
Follow us.
If I catch you there, ba?
I'll follow. Mommy shall follow.
No.
See how you tie your back of rope.
No.
I've told you like one beke. Anytime you want to tie that rope, tie it small, not let it be tight.
Do not pack his clothes.
Yes.
Yes, you are too localized.
And
Thank God they left the village. I said she's still tying it strong again.
Tie it loose.
Just for this not to be swinging.
Don't even tie it, sir. Bring it, I'll tie it for you. Leave it, I'll tie it for you.
no.
I will.
No.
Yes.
No.
Look at you. Look at that.
No.
Beverly, let's go. Don't mind Alfred. Alfred does not want to
like
church.
Americana, wa?
Oh yeah.
Hey. Bye bye. Follow you people.
Don't follow us.
I'm following.
But sweet.
I'll give us a chicken.
Enjoy your life. Enjoy all you could.
Baby, small, don't fall. This is general time, mama. Oh,
Bless you.
Bless you, my angel. What's up, guys? What's up, Papa?
What's up, Ukwano?
Oh, still load and load.
Hey, you guys. Good evening. How are you guys doing? How are you guys? So it's actually still the same day. We're back from church, and I just cleaned my makeup. This is what Bernice does these days. Say hi, guys. Say good evening. Good girl. Beverly, say hi, guys. Say good evening. Good girl. Alright, you guys. So, this is what my children are wearing. Bex is wearing this skirt, and then Beverly the other one. So we're actually going for a birthday party. My husband's friend actually invited him and his family to her birthday party. So Bernice is something else, you guys. You guys were saying Bernice is quiet. Bernice is quiet. Yes, she's quiet, but she's very, very lively when she's at home. Okay. So we're going for a birthday party, you guys. I don't know if the child that we're going for the birthday party is a 1-year-old child, but anyhow, let's just go and find out because my husband does not even know. So let's go. Where's my phone? So that's Lizzie. All looking cute up. And yeah, when we get there, I'll give you your phone, okay? Where's my phone? Yeah, please help me check my phone there. Okay, it's in my bag. Alright, let's go. The birthday was scheduled for 3 o'clock and this is 5 o'clock. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so we're at the birthday party. They've gone far, but we're here anyway.
And officially now, we'll make you dance in as you're enjoying the food. Enjoy yourself. Remember, I said you need to show the family love by transfer, by cash. Very, very accepted. Show them love.
Hey you guys, so I'm back. Remove my hair, change my clothes, and Echi, bring those hair. So you guys, this is my gift. Let me unbox it so you guys can see. This is it from MAC. So this is what is inside. I have MAC NC50. This is MAC foundation. Oopsie. And then I have also MAC NC50 Studio Fix powder. This is not foundation, this is powder. Yeah. You know, I usually have problems with my skin color, like, you know, getting powder that actually suits my skin color. So I've actually not tested this one on my skin yet, but hopefully it will be my exact color. Going to the store to check for my color for powder and foundation used to be a big problem. So I have here Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. Does not want to focus. And then I have 2 lip glosses from NK Makeup. Love this color. This is the perfect time for this lip gloss. This Hamatan, yeah. It smells like mint. The perfect time for this lip gloss, you guys. Thank you so much. This gift is from I don't know if I should mention her name, if she's gonna be okay with it. I love the smell, the minty flavor. This one smells like flower. So this gift is from Grace's World. She does mukbang. It's a lot of eatable. You guys help me go tell her thank you and follow her up. And yeah, come on, show them your stuff. So hi guys, good afternoon everybody. So we're actually preparing for our Christmas market. So this is what we're gonna be using. Lush hair attachment. Elizabeth is going to be using one. Bernice and Beverly is going to be using one. And me, I'm going to be using one. I bought this big one for myself because I want my hair to be long. So that's why I bought this big one, this jumbo size. And then this one is from Lizzie. And then this one is from Bernice and Beverly. So I'm preparing to go to the salon, but my husband is just saying, oh no, don't do the hair now, do it when it's like 2022, 23. Do you understand? So to still be looking all fresh, all neat and all of that stuff. So anyway, so that's it. Thank you so much, Grace's World. God bless you. You guys help me go tell her thank you that you guys saw the beautiful MAC foundation and Studio Fix powder that she actually sent for me. I love it, and I'm gonna be rocking it. God, let it be my color. You guys, I might be seeing it like this and it will be looking like, okay, this is my color, and when I apply, because that's how it has been happening to me when I go to the store to buy foundation or powder. I'm not so used to knowing my exact color. That's the problem. Anyway, I'm going out, so I need to get my wig back on my head. Oh, I feel just carry my hair like this. Thank you guys.